Hello, this is Josh over at Bike Friday. You might ask yourself regarding your Bike Friday, when is the time to service my bike? This is a pretty common question that we get pretty frequently. A couple telltale signs to look for to know that your bike needs maintenance. We're going to go through a couple key things to look at is your cables. If you're starting to get your cables to fray, that's a telltale sign that it is time to replace these guys. So when we replace the cables, we're also going to go ahead and replace the housing as well. Both of these guys are generally reach the end of their wear life at the same time. That'll help with your shifting performance and kind of ease of braking as well. Another good sign is if you're getting buildup down here on your derailleur, or you're noticing that your chain and cassette is just super gunked up and dirty, that's another good sign that you should probably send your bike to us and get the service done. We offer a couple different packages. Our basic tune-up is just kind of like a safety check. We go through the entire bike, touch every bolt, adjust your brakes, your derailleurs, making sure that everything is shifting properly. And that your wheels are on there correct, they're true, and there's no problems there. If your bike is needing a more in-depth service, we have our overhaul, and that is a complete overhaul of everything on the bike. New cables and housing, new handlebar tape, new decals if need be. We take off the whole drivetrain, put that in the parts washer, get that cleaned and re-greased. We go through all of your pivots, the folding assembly, we adjust that, replace any parts where need be. And then this kind of helps preserve the longevity of your bike and keeps you out riding longer. And then another thing that you might be noticing is, let's say you took a good spill and you got a decent scratch on your frame, or just kind of wear over time and you're not quite happy with the appearance. We do offer a frame repaint and a complete bike repaint. So you send us your complete bike in the suitcase, that's disassembly, the paint, and then the reassembly of your bike, where everything is re-greased, re-torqued, and set up to the proper spec. So your bike will be riding smooth. And that's some of our service that we offer here at Bike Friday.